Right in the heart of the rushing urban life sits a beautiful community, a community that is ready to burst with enthusiasm. Sri Adarsh Creative Senior Secondary School journey marks a breakthrough towards a culture of excellence. Quality English medium education is what the school offers. It continues to garner numerous distinctions that uplifted its morale as an excellent seat for the people of Sardar Shahar and outskirts. Through Sri Shyam's unwavering faithfulness and sustaining grace, and the Honorable Founder, late Sri Chaturthi Lal Ji Lata's persistence, Sri Adarsh Creative School remains to be a fixture in higher secondary education. From its brilliant faculty and administration staff to the lively students it supports every day, Sri Adarsh Creative Senior Secondary School envelops everyone under it with the atmosphere of confidence, perseverance, and filial love. School holds a curriculum that promotes an inclusive and culture sensitive education. As days pass by, each individual discovers its talents, abilities, and learns to gain self confidence. And as schools' encouraging hands continue to bring the best out of them, students here are able to show the world a lot more than just academic excellence. From achieving the trophies in sports to excelling in performing arts, from the zeal to become a successful entrepreneur and scientist to accomplishing daily simple household chores in an absolute competitive way. The school preserves its holistic and instructive experience while at the same time efficiently and effectively incorporates the latest trends and technology to education. Sri Adarsh Creative Senior Secondary School furthers its progress in terms of new learning technique during the unfortunate times of pandemic. School application, digital learning, up-to-date educational materials, and high-end facilities are some of the aids school provides. It makes sure students and faculty not only live by the intelligence but also by the Indian core values: cooperation, respect, empathy, and achievement. These four pillars serve as the foundation and motivation behind its aim for quality education. Sri Adarsh Creative Senior Secondary School has been and will always be walking on its roads of success, with every year giving future IITians, engineers, doctors, entrepreneurs, and artists. Students themselves set the barrier, standard, and excel. Doing ordinary things extraordinarily well is their absolute goal. The school helps the students to not only find their strengths in academics but also for their passion, peace of mind, and talents through numerous activities and by organizing various cultural programs like educational fun fairs, celebrating the festivities, and arranging educational tours. Numerous competitions, skill tests, craft classes, motivational sessions are just the part of school hours. Sri Adarsh Creative Senior Secondary School students help one another, especially those less privileged that are prominent in school's population, with the help of a remarkable initiative, Sri Adarsh Shiksha Kosh. Time to time, donations have been made in PM Cares Fund also. Essentials were given to the needy. This just proves how the school provides an environment of equality and gender sensitivity despite the social status differences. Adarsh Senior Secondary High School supplies the country outstanding and globally competitive students that outclass all others. This is Sri Adarsh Creative Senior Secondary School today. Let us watch out for it tomorrow, as it will surely burst forth, shining a light upon the daughters and sons of Sadashahar to success. You can be a part of all this.